Bitcoin eyes $74,000 as BTC TFC record $1 billion in net inflows. Instant settlement needed to compete with crypto, India's markets regulator says. US government study concludes no NFT specific legislation needed, current copyright laws adequate. Solana NFT marketplace Tensor to issue TNSR governance token. NFT providers may need registration to comply with UK money laundering rules. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets are once again subjected to wild swings in the past 24 hours as above expectation. US inflation numbers weighed on investor sentiment. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, surpassed the crucial $73,000 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.2% at 92,000 points. Interestingly, VanEck has announced that all trading fees for its spot Bitcoin ETFs will be waived until March 31, 2025 in response to the crypto assets' recent surge. On the economic front, US inflation in February was hotter than hoped earlier Tuesday, with the consumer price index rising 3.2%, slightly higher than analyst estimates. Sticky inflation this year could discourage the Federal Reserve from cutting interest rates. That expectation led to the sudden burst of volatility in the market. Elsewhere, Ripple, DogeCoin and Litecoin tumbled 6% to 8%. Avalanche native token AVAX was the only notable gainer, up 15% for the day. In other news, Thailand's SEC has approved private funds investing in US spot Bitcoin ETFs, a significant change in the country's crypto investment regulations. The move follows the US Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of Bitcoin ETF trading on January 1st. Moving on, CoinShares International Limited, a leading European investment company, has completed the acquisition of Valkyrie Funds LLC, the investment advisory business of Valkyrie Investment Incorporation, and the sponsor rights to the Valkyrie Bitcoin Fund, a physically backed Bitcoin ETF. Meanwhile, the volatility liquidated over $360 million worth of leveraged derivatives positions across all cryptos, mostly longs betting on rising prices, CoinGlass data shows. This was the largest long flush out since the March 5th correction. Going forward, Coinbase plans to raise $1 billion through a convertible debt offering following the path of Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.7 trillion mark, increasing 2.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 8% to $161 billion. In other news, Floki experienced a 455% increase in price this month due to a large burn of over 14.5 billion Floki tokens worth $3.2 million. This process, which involves burning 4.2 trillion tokens in January 2023, is believed to reduce the amount of Floki available in the market. Toncoin, the native cryptocurrency of the Telegram Open network, has seen a 25% rally in the last 24 hours, reaching an all-time high of $4.45. Currently trading at 16.31% with a market cap of $15 billion, trading volumes have surged 30% to $354 million. NEAR, a native token on Layer 1 blockchain NEAR, has nearly doubled since March 5th due to NVIDIA's annual conference, Transforming AI. NEAR is a proof-of-stake blockchain based on its project Nightshade. US stock futures traded mixed after Wall Street saw the S&P 500 close at a fresh high. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.1%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures were also little changed. Bitcoin was trading at $73,280, up 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1.7%, trading at $4,054. BNB was up by 10% to trade at $583. Solana SOL was up 1% and was trading at $152. Cardano's ADA token was up by 2% to trade at $0.75. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $54, higher 13%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 4.5% to trade at $1.2. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.1% at $0.17. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.1%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.56, up by 0.3%. Polkadot was up by 5% to trade at $11.2.
Thanks, Ruchi, and now back to the headlines. The chairperson of India's markets regulator has warned that if regulated markets don't offer instant settlement, investors will move to spaces like crypto. Settlement refers to the final step in payments and securities trade. Madhabi Puri Bhosh, chairperson of SEBI, announced plans to introduce faster settlements on Monday. India is planning to introduce a same-day settlement cycle from March 28 on an optional basis, making it the second country after China to do so, while other nations typically settle within 2 days, a local report said. Bhosh addressed India pulling even further ahead of other jurisdictions in instant settlement speed, warning a sizable part of the market could move to crypto. But the broader plan also includes adopting instant settlement effective from March 2025. The plan is yet to be approved by the Market Regulators Board, which is set to meet on Friday, the report said. The current intellectual property laws are adequate to deal with concerns about copyright and trademark infringement associated with NFTs, a 112-page long study by United States Patent and Trademark Office and the US Copyright Office has concluded. Well, the study was requested by former Democratic Senator from Vermont Patrick Joseph Leahy and Democratic Senator from North Carolina Tom Tillis in June 2022. The US PTO and the Copyright Office conducted 3 public roundtables and solicited comments from interested stakeholders. Well, the offices found that most stakeholders that the current laws were adequate, even though trademark misappropriation and infringement are common on NFT platforms. Solana-based NFT trading platform Tensor said Tuesday it will issue a token TNSR whose holders will govern the protocol. In a post on X, formerly Twitter, the Tensor Foundation said more details about the token's release will come soon. It did not state whether there would be an airdrop. Shortly, Tensor protocols will be adopted by the Tensor Foundation and governed by Tensor community using TNSR, the post read. Crypto businesses that issue NFTs in the UK rather than providing financial services will probably need to register with the Financial Conduct Authority even after the government introduces a new authorization regime for the industry, according to a consultation on money laundering issued by Treasury on Monday. The government has been refining its crypto regulation environment and last year said it planned to bring crypto exchanges and custody providers into the new crypto authorization regime. Currently, the firms must be registered with the FCA, which covers money laundering and terrorism financing safeguards, to be able to operate in the country. Once the new regime is up and running, that won't be necessary. And now, let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Let's have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum has reached the $4,000 mark for the first time since December 2021, rising to $4,010 on March 11th. This increase is due to Ethereum's upcoming Denkin upgrade and the potential approval of a spot Ether ETF by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The Denkin upgrade, which includes several Ethereum improvement proposals, is expected to introduce proto-dank sharding and is scheduled for a launch on March 13th, which is today, on 13:55 UTC. Furthermore, the SEC is also expected to announce its decision on all spot Ether ETF applications. Next on the list, we have Floki Inu. Floki experienced a 455% increase in price this month due to large burn over 14.5 billion Floki tokens worth $3.2 million. This process, which involves the burning 4.2 trillion tokens in January 2023, was believed to reduce the amount of Floki available in the market. Floki generates utility burns where coins are used for network activities like staking or DeFi, leading to their withdrawal from circulation. Following this burn, Floki was trading at 8% up in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin, the native cryptocurrency of Telegram Open Network, has seen a 25% rally in the last 24 hours, reaching an all-time high of $4.4. Currently trading at 16%, with a market capitalization of $15 billion, trading volumes have surged 30% to $354 billion. The future price trajectory is expected to be positive due to the correlation between TON price fluctuations and trading volume. Furthermore, Wales sold some of its ETH holdings to buy DogeCoin. Telegram is set to reveal its program, which will distribute rewards using DogeCoin on the TON blockchain, with channel owners receiving 50% of advertising revenue. Next on the list, we have Near Protocol. Near, a native token on Layer 1 blockchain Near, has nearly doubled since March 5th due to NVIDIA's annual conference Transforming AI. Near is a proof-of-stake blockchain based on its project Nightshade. Near Protocol's co-founders' attendance at Near Task's releases have sparked discussions about Near's future collaboration with NVIDIA. Near's gains are mirrored across the crypto AI market, with Fetch.ai, Graph, and Singularity Net posting gains of over 30%. The CoinDesk 20 index has also risen by a 9.1%. Near Protocol was trading near $8, up near 15% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Avalanche. South Korean gaming giant Nexon has announced that it will launch Maple Story Universe on the Avalanche blockchain instead of the Ethereum scaling network, Polygon. The game, inspired by the classic Maple Story MMORPG, will incorporate blockchain elements like unique in-game items tokenized as NFTs. The launch will take place via a dedicated Avalanche subnet, which will be used for Maple Story N. The team believes the benefits of using Avalanche, including assistance from Ava Labs, will make the transition smoother. Following this news, Avalanche's native token AVAX jumped 13% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.weversetv.io or scan the QR code.